The International Court of Justice, in a landmark case, ruled in favor of South Africa and ordered Israel to do it all can to prevent death, destruction, and acts of genocide in the Gaza Strip, where more than 26,000 people have been killed, and do more to help civilians amid the humanitarian catastrophe in the besieged Palestinian enclave. However, the top UN court stopped short of ordering a ceasefire as requested by South Africa. The court laid out a total of 6 steps for Israel to follow in Gaza, although they will be difficult to achieve without a form of ceasefire or pause in the fighting, for which negotiations are reportedly ongoing. The ruling was a legal setback for Israel, accused under the Genocide Convention established years after the Holocaust that targeted millions of Jews. The ICJ found there was a case for the deprivation of rights to Palestinians and rejected Israel's petition to throw out the case brought by South Africa. South Africa accused Israel of state-led genocide in Gaza and asked the court to grant emergency measures to halt the fighting. Israel called South Africa's allegations false and grossly distorted and asserted that it acted in self-defense and did all it could to protect civilians. The court ordered Israel to submit a report to the court on all measures within a month of the verdict. Netanyahu welcomed the court's decision to not order a ceasefire but called the verdict outrageous and said Israel would continue to defend itself. The US, Israel's closest ally that has recently expressed concern over the rising civilian casualties in Gaza, said the ruling did not make a finding about genocide, and the verdict aligned with the US view that Israel has the right to take action in accordance with international law to prevent a repetition of the October attacks that killed 1,200 people in the Jewish country. Although the ICJ's decisions are final and without appeal, but the court has no way to enforce them. Its rulings are sometimes ignored, such as in 2022 when it ordered Russia to immediately halt its military campaign in Ukraine, which fell on deaf ears.